Hey guys, for this video, I'd like to go over daily homework page number 138. So we are subtracting in the first one, 31.6 minus 21.8. I'm going to use the stacking method to do that. And I know my answer is going to be somewhere around 10 because 30 minus 20 is 10. But it's not going to be a little bit lower than that because it looks like I have some borrowing to do. So starting in the tens place, I have 6 minus 8. I'm going to borrow from the 1. So I'll take that 1 and move it to the tenths place. So instead of 6 tenths, I have 16 tenths. Now 16 and take away 8, we have 8 left over. Drop my decimal in here. I have 0 minus 1. So if I take 1 from the tens and put it over to the ones, that takes 10 over there. And since I was at 0, 0 plus 10 is 10. Now I have 10 minus 1, which is 9. And 20 minus 20 is 0, so my answer is 9.8. I said my answer would be around 10, so 9.8 is pretty close to 10. My next question is 18 times 6. So I'm going to break 18 into 10 and 8. I'm going to multiply each of those by 6. So I know 10 times 8 is 60, and 10 times 6 is 60. 8 times 6, it's a bit of a tougher one, but it's 48. If I add those together, oops, sorry guys, moved on me. If I add those together, I have 108. So 18 times 6 would be 108. Bit of a tricky pattern question because I have 42 blank, 36 blank, 30 blank, 24. But if you look from 42 to 36, I'm subtracting 6. And from 36 to 30, I'm subtracting 6. From 24 to 24, from 30 to 24, I'm subtracting 6. So halfway between 42 and 36, well, that would mean I'd have to subtract 3 out. So 42 minus 3 is 39, and then subtract another 3 to get to 36. 36 minus 3 is 33, subtract another 3 to get to 30. 30 minus 3 is 27, subtract another 3 to get to 24. Number 4 is going back to our fractions unit, and it's asking what fraction is shaded. Well, there are 5 pieces that are shaded in out of the 8 total pieces. So that means 5/8 of this shape is shaded in. Last question says, Mary wants to make cookies for her class. The recipe she has makes 15 cookies per batch. If she has 22 people in her class, how many batches does she have to make sure everyone gets 2 cookies? So there's a couple of steps to this question in order to solve it. First of all, you need to know how many cookies you need. So she wants each of the kids in the class to have 2 cookies, and she has 22 people in the class. So that means that she would need to have 22 times 2, or 44 cookies when it came down to it. Now, how many batches does she have to make? Well, 1 batch is 15, right? 2 batches is 15 plus 15, which is 30, and 3 batches is 45. So she's gonna have to make 3 batches of cookies. All right, guys, don't forget to do your Lexia practice and write down what you read and what you learned. Thanks, have a great day.